The survey for the State of JS 2022 is over with a massive 40,000 of responses. I went through the entire website and here are the most interesting insights that I found. If you want to dive deeper into this, I invite you to go to the website and explore yourself. Now without further ado, let's get started. The first page shows us a comparison between the yearly salary and the year of experience. And we can see clearly the correlation as people with less than 1 year of experience work for free. The salary grows as the experience reaches more than 20 years. Let's change field to explore more specific fields. As the user get more year of experience, the user get to know and use less known browser APIs. It also applies to better known technologies. We can see this pattern in progressive web apps or geolocalization API. If we put the ages with the framework, we can see a correlation of when the framework came out and the user's age. For Next.js, it's between 20 and 30 most of the users, while for Svelte it is between 10 and 24 years. Most of the respondents are from the United States, followed by Germany and France. Most of the respondents are in the 30 or 20 with 3 to 10 years of experience. Only 40% had a higher education in related field, and most of the respondents make between 50 and 100. The respondents mainly represent men with a 93% and white people, followed by Latinos and Asians. Here I found out API that I didn't know even exist, for example the web speech API. This is the changes over time, which looks so chaotic. This library tier represents better who are the winners this year. We can find Vite, Vitest, Playwright, Next and Svelte in the S tier. The new framework for the frontend that is growing really fast and that we should pay attention for this year is Solid.js. The rest of the framework remain mostly the same, and Angular is still the second more used. In the rendering framework, we have to highlight Astro, which enables developers to build with any frontend framework and Rust backend. The top gainer in tools for testing, we have Vitest and Playwright. The top 1 framework for PC is still Electron and React Native for mobile, but there is a new contender called Tauri. The go-to framework for barebone server is still Express, and for backend, Nest. For monorepo, we are seeing the downfall of Lerna and the rest of the framework gaining more shares from it. Other frameworks remain mostly same as the last year, such as Axios for data fetching, and Apollo Client for GraphQL. And the top 1 non-JavaScript language that JavaScript developers use is Python. We are in 2022 and still only 28% of the respondents use 100% TypeScript. JavaScript is used for the respondent for front-end development, followed by backend and mobile. The most popular application pattern is single-page application. The first learning method of most of the people are free methods, such as Google, free online courses, and videos. We have Medium and Dev community at the top of blogs that people read. The most checked websites for consult are Stack Overflow, MDN, and Web3 School. The most loved video content creator is Fireship, with responses that went overflow. The top 1 podcast is Syntax. One interesting fact of the most mentioned people all of them are from different framework ecosystem. We have Dan from React, Rich from Svelte, Ryan from Solid.js, Evan Yu from Vue. The clear winner for this year is Anthony Fu. We are going to talk more about it later. The browser and JavaScript are the future, but people don't agree JavaScript is moving in the right direction. The top 3 features that people would like to be able to use in JavaScript today are static typing, standard library, and better data management. So let's go to the award. So if we check the things that stood up last year, we can see Vite mentioned 3 times, which is why Anthony Fu is the MVP of 2022. So this is the quick sum up of the state of JS. React is still the biggest and the go-to choice thanks to its ecosystem. Interesting framework other than React, we have Svelte, Quick, and Solid. Overall, we are seeing the established framework reaching its maturity, and we can see developers getting happier thanks to Vite added value to the developer experience. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Comment below what do you think. Subscribe and like to help me grow this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.